Owner financing is an increasingly popular method of purchasing vacant land. This method of financing allows the buyer to make payments directly to the seller rather than a traditional lender such as a bank. There are many benefits of using owner financing when buying vacant land, and in this video we will explore some of the most significant advantages. One of the main benefits of owner financing is that it allows the buyer to get into the market sooner than they would be able to with traditional financing. Banks and other traditional lenders often have strict requirements for borrowers, and the approval process can take a long time. With owner financing, the buyer can typically close the deal much faster as the seller is more willing to be flexible and work with the buyer. This can be especially beneficial for buyers who are looking to take advantage of the current market conditions and get in on a good deal before prices rise. Another advantage of owner financing is that it allows the buyer to negotiate better terms. With traditional financing, the lender sets the terms, and the buyer has little room for negotiation. However, when working with a seller, the buyer can negotiate a more favorable interest rate, a longer repayment period, or other terms that are more beneficial to them. This can make the purchase more affordable and allow the buyer to get into the market on their own terms. Owner financing can also be a good option for buyers who have less than perfect credit. Traditional lenders often have strict credit requirements, and a poor credit score can make it difficult to get approved for a loan. With owner financing, the seller may be more willing to work with the buyer, even if they have less than perfect credit. This can open up the market to a wider range of buyers and allow more people to become property owners. Another advantage of owner financing is that it allows more flexibility in the purchase process. With traditional financing, the lender typically requires a large down payment, and the buyer may need to put up collateral, such as their home or other assets. With owner financing, the seller may be more willing to work with the buyer and accept a smaller down payment or no collateral. This can make the purchase process less daunting and more manageable for the buyer. Finally, owner financing can also be beneficial for the seller. When a seller finances the sale of their property, they can often get a higher price for their land. They also have the ability to receive payments over time and may be able to avoid paying taxes on the sale. Additionally, the seller may also be able to hold the note, earning interest on the payments, which can provide an additional source of income. In conclusion, owner financing is a great option for buying vacant land. It allows buyers to get into the market sooner, negotiate better terms, and may be more accessible to buyers with less than perfect credit. It also allows for more flexibility in the purchase process and can be beneficial for the seller. If you're considering purchasing a piece of vacant land, consider using owner financing as a way to make your dream a reality now instead of waiting. PeterSellsLand.com, giving you the tools you need to become a landowner today. Give us a call at the number below or go to www.petersellsland.com.